Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got my very first beauty unboxing from Very. This is the summer beauty edit. Very started doing beauty boxes recently, I believe, which is really exciting. I have shopped with Very since I was a teenager. I think it used to be called First Choice, and it was a home shopping catalogue type thing. You'd get it through the post and you order it that way. I'm talking years and years and years and years ago. But anyway, I love the website. Absolutely love it. There's always good bargains there. You can have everything you can think of. Beauty, homeware, garden, technology, all my camera equipment and everything that I need is on Very. So yeah, so now they do beauty boxes. So there's 10 products inside. It has a value of over £200 and it costs £45 and 6 of the items are full size. If you're interested in this beauty box for yourself, then as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. So it looks like. Oh, we get a card as well. Oh, yeah, with information. Oh, it's a proper box. And look, it's wrapped up and it's presented really nicely as well. Yeah, impressed so far. Okay, so does this just tell me a little bit about each product? Yeah, just a little bit of information. Let's start off with one of my favourite mascaras. This is BADgal Bang by Benefit. This is such a great mascara. It's really, really pigmented. Bigger, badder, volumizing mascara. Yeah, it is one of my all-time favourite mascaras. It is so, so good. And it's usually the minis I take when I go on holiday with me. You need a proper cleansing balm to get it off. The Gravity Define formula contains aero particles and layers easily for bigger impact. There's that. Right, then we got Caudalie, and this is Vinoperfect. Let's turn it around the other side to the English. This is Brightening Dark Spot Serum. Visibly brightens all dark spots, so sun, acne, age and pregnancy, all skin tones. And there's 30 mils here. The packaging reminds me very much of Korres, the Greek skincare brand. I'm going to Greece in a couple of days' time, so if you've got any skincare makeup recommendations, well, yeah, let me know. Serum that works hard while staying gentle even on sensitive skin. It corrects and prevents dark spots and hyperpigmentation for a brighter complexion. Do you know what? I used to have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, particularly my forehead and around here. It's like a mask. Every summer, I think mainly because I'd sweat, rub off the SPF and things, but I wasn't that good at keeping up with my SPF and topping it up on my face. I don't suffer from any pigmentation, not since I started using vitamin C in my skincare every single day and for SPF 50. I don't have any at all, none on my forehead, none over underneath, which used to be quite bad there. I have got moles and freckles and things, but not like patches of brown like pigmented skin, you know? No, I haven't had it for years and years. It could have been hormones triggering it. So even though I'd love to try this, there's no point. Then we got Elizabeth Arden 8-hour HydraPlay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturiser. And there's 45 mils here. Do you know what? I don't think I've ever tried this. I don't think I have. It's more than a moisturiser. This lightweight skin perfector delivers all-day hydration for smoother, softer, glowing skin. Restores skin's moisture barrier while refining pores, controlling excess oil, blurring imperfections, and creating an even canvas for makeup. Oh, I love the packaging as well. It's really nice, isn't it? Let's have a try on my hand. It feels really nice. It is nice and lightweight. Ooh, look at the glow. Very, very natural. It's non-scented. Oh, it just feels so nice. It feels like a serum. And it's so lightweight. Look, can you see nice glowy skin? Yeah, I really like that. That's the perfect summertime moisturiser for me. Yeah, that'll definitely be used. Then I have got Iconic London Glow All Over Melting Balm Stick. 17 grams here, another new product for me. Get glowy skin instantly with our mess-free face and body balm stick. Infused with refined pearls and a nourishing blend of plant-based oils that will leave you looking juicy and irresistible with every swipe. The enticing coconut and shea butter fragrance will have you wanting a taste. The packaging, the brush, you've got a brush as well to apply it. Oh, okay. Yeah. You twist it like that. Wow. Look. Okay, let's try it there. Can you see there? And then, oh my gosh, that brush is beautiful. It is so soft. Okay. And then you just blend it in. Oh, it's really pretty, isn't it? That is really, oh, it just feels so nice. That is gorgeous. Look, can you see the difference? That is really pretty. And it doesn't feel too sticky or anything like that. It smells gorgeous. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I really like that. I can't believe I've never tried that before, seen it before. Then I got a Very Beauty headband. So their own branded headband there. Oh, super soft, as you'd imagine. Yeah, nice. Quite a few things in here, isn't there? Wow. Okay, we got something for you here. This is Ultimate Smooth Miracle Oil Serum. Nourishes hair in 30 seconds. Instant lasting smoothness and UV and heat protection. This is by Wella Professionals, and there's 30 mils there. That might be a contender to bring with me. Patented technology with squalene omega-3 for inside and outside nourishment, offers frizz control and helps protect from UV and heat. I've got to bring it on holiday. Let's try a little bit. Ooh. Well, it feels nice in my hands. See a bit more definition in my hair. I'll have to try that first before I do go away, just to make sure I actually like it. I prefer creams. I'm still in love with the TG bright pink bottle styling cream we got in a Look Fantastic beauty box months and months ago. I love that, and I still got some because I only need a tiny bit, but oh, I love it so much. But yeah, that's definitely a product I will carry on buying, although I haven't needed to yet. But I like the sound of it. It sounds amazing, but I need to try it before I do bring it on holiday. Then we got Gatineau, and this is Gradual Tan Golden Glow. Builds an effortless, natural and even tan, formulated with coconut oil and vitamin E, and the 75 mils here. This is lovely as well. I've tried this numerous times. If you're very, very pale, then you can look a little bit orange. But if you just to apply it and really buff it out, then you can build on it. It's a nice one. I quite like this one. Then we've got a deep sleep pillow spray by This Works, and there's 10 mils here. This one always makes me want to cough or sneeze. Yeah, it's quite a strong one. I do like pillow sprays, but yeah, I've just gone off this one now. I think we had it a lot in different beauty boxes, and it's like, ugh. We've got 3 perfumes here. They're all little ones, although this one's quite a good size, I think. This is Calvin Klein Euphoria Magnetic Elixir, and there's 4 mils. Ooh. Oh, the bottle is lovely. I can't even remember if I like Euphoria, the original. Let's put a bit on my hand there. It's so lovely, but it's very sweet. It is such a gorgeous smell, but it's too sweet for me. Let's see if my daughter wants that. She has more of a sweet taste. Lacoste Original Eau de Parfum, 4.5 mils. A little bottle. I love little miniature perfume bottles. They're just so adorable, aren't they? I can't get it out. It's got a stop there, and I've tried using my teeth. Not a good idea. But I think I really love the smell. I think it's a really nice one. I'm going to have to go and get a little knife or something. I don't know how to get that top off. No, they don't tell you what's in it, but I think I like that one. And then lastly, we've got one I know I don't like. This is Billie Eilish, and this is Eilish Eau de Parfum Rollerball Oil, and there is 3.5 mils here. There. Let's have a sniff just to make sure. No, it's not disgusting, but it's a little bit too strong, powerful, businesswoman type. That's what I imagine. So yeah, not for me. And there you go, those are all the items in the very summer beauty edit. So we got a set of 3 perfumes to try. Got a brightening dark spot serum by Caudalie, Wella Ultimate Smooth hair oil, glow all over stick by Iconic London, HydraPlay Skin Perfecting Moisturiser by Elizabeth Arden, Golden Glow Gradual Tan by Gatineau, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works, BADgal Bang Mascara by Benefit, and lastly, a Very headband. I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a really good box. There's some really great full-size products in there. Some products that I've never tried before as well. So a really good all-rounder. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a really good one? Do you shop on the Very website? I've seen a couple of adverts recently as well of people doing like clothing hauls and things. So Very is definitely more out there at the moment, and I'm really glad that they are doing these beauty boxes. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.